Hi, myself Apurva Jyoti. In this video, we'll learn taking an example of one of the weaver. How are the how will they weave? What are the problems they are facing? Let us look at the account of a visit to a weaver. So, we have let us see they have visited one of the weaver's house in Pochampalli, and what are they doing? What questions they asked? How did they answer it all? uh, in Pochampalli to know more about ikat cloth material. So, what are the cloth they use? What quality of cloth? What is the material they are using for making the cloth and all? Jagatayya is a resident of Pochampalli. All of his family members, he, his wife, and his son, daughter-in-law, works as weavers. So, Jagatayya is a sari weaver. All his family members are engaged in making saris. His wife, his son, daughter-in-law, and all. When we visited his house, we found all members in the family engaged in different tasks. So when these visitors visited his house, all his family members are engaged, means doing different kinds of work, means different task of work. While he was winding yarn, his son Murali was engaged in weaving on the maggam. So he's, see here in the 7.5, he's winding the thread, means he's rolling the thread. And in 7.4 you can see his son is weaving a sari, Jagatayya's son. His Murali, his son is Murali. Where is he weaving the sari? On maggam. Maggam, he's weaving the sari. Engaged in weaving on maggam set up inside the house. This machine wooden loom was fixed in the house itself. His place set up in the house. Other tools such as chitkasu is a curved frame made for the weft ikat with pegs on which the weft threads are grouped and tied for dyeing. Panni, reed, achu, head shaft, thread and rubber tubing were used for different tasks in producing ikat saris. So these are the different tools which are used for making the ikat saris. And weft, no, from left to right they'll be arranging the saris. For that they use all these materials. Most of the tools are made of wood. So the tools which they are using like pani, reed, achu, head shaft, threads and rubber tubes and all, these are made of wooden. All these materials mostly made of wood. Since he has grown old, now Jagatayya is old, right? He grown old. Jagatayya spends most of the time winding yarn. So his work is now winding the yarn, making the threads. See there, winding means arranging the thread in a round circular manner. And his son weaves on the loom, and the work of his son is weaving the loom, means making the saris and all. Jagatayya's wife and daughter-in-law do bobbin winding, so they'll be doing bobbin winding. They'll also wind the yarn. Jagatayya's grand children are studying in school. There is some work for wrapping done collectively by group of weavers on street outside the house. So Jagatayya's grandchildren, they'll be going to the school, and there is some other work which have to be done collectively by group of people, that is wrapping done. Wrapping is done. What is wrapped? From top to bottom they'll be arranging the threads for the sari, weft is left to right. So these Jagatayya's wife and all, they'll be doing bobbin work and all. So the group of workers, weavers, they'll be doing collectively. Wrapping work is done collectively outside the house, not inside the house. So you can see the picture there down. Jagatayya's wife doing the bobbin work, right? You can see the picture there. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.